What if the secret to building massive wealth isn't trying to win, but simply avoiding stupid mistakes? Most everyday investors lose money in the stock market. They chase hot stock tips, try to time the market, and pay higher fees to active fund managers. They play a game designed for them to lose. In his legendary financial classic, Winning the Loser's Game, Wall Street veteran Charles Ellis reveals a radical truth: investing is no longer a winner's game like professional tennis, where the winner strikes winning shots. It is a loser's game like amateur tennis, where the person who makes the fewest unforced errors wins. Here are 4 essential strategies from the book to help you stop losing and start building real wealth. Strategy 1. Stop trying to beat the market. Institutional investors and supercomputers dominate Wall Street. Trying to outsmart them is a fool's errand. When you trade constantly, you accumulate heavy fees, taxes, and mistakes. Instead of trying to beat the market, simply own the entire market through low-cost index funds. Capture the market's total return effortlessly. Strategy 2. Time in the market beats timing the market. Predicting when the stock market will rise or fall is impossible. If you miss just a handful of the market's best days over several decades, your total returns drop drastically. Stay invested, ignore the daily noise, panic selling, and sensational news headlines. Patience is your greatest superpower. Strategy 3. Focus on asset allocation. Your long-term success isn't determined by individual stock picks. It is determined by how you divide your portfolio between stocks, bonds, and cash. Align your asset allocation with your true risk tolerance, time horizon, and personal goals. Build a balanced strategy and stick to it through every market cycle. Strategy 4. Cut your costs relentlessly. Fees and expenses are the silent killers of compounding growth. A seemingly small 1% management fee can strip away a massive portion of your wealth over 30 years. Keep your investment costs as close to zero as possible. Every dollar you save in fees is a dollar that compounds for your future. Winning the Loser's Game is a timeless guide to financial freedom. It proves that by playing smart, staying disciplined, and avoiding costly mistakes, ordinary people can achieve extraordinary financial success. Stop playing a game you are bound to lose. Master the rules, simplify your strategy, and win your financial independence today.